Super cool! A little pop figure of a T-Rex. I have no idea what this is right here, but I see a lot of people with it. It says it's a fidget tube. Oh, okay, a fidget tube pop. And then over here are the high-end prizes. These are really cool. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue! Some monkey little toy and a big AirPod. Oh, there's some weird guy playing a game there. So there's a winner's cube, which is always cool to look at. Look, guys, there's a hot tamale pop figure in there.
There are two missing. I wonder who won those.
I wonder who won that one specifically, that empty one right there. I think some people from Plush Time Wins YouTube channel, I think they probably know who did it. So I'm gonna play Shooting Skies. I've never played this game, so let's see how well I do. Alright, I'm gonna be the pink airplane. Whoa, whoa, whoa! So I don't have to push anything?
No, you don't have to push anything on this.
Okay. Whoa, I gotta shoot them. Alright, so I'm at 0 tickets. What the heck?
You have one. You got one ticket.
Okay, 2 tickets. Whoa!
You're flying around like a maniac.
I know! I can't keep up! Woohoo! Come on! Whoa!
If she's able to beat 120 tickets, she'll get 1,000 as the bonus.
Right, look, I'm at 7. Come on! Get over there! Whoa!
Why do they sound like cats?
Yeah, it does! Oh! They're getting closer, I don't like that. Boom, 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 boom! Oh my gosh, there's a whole swarm of them!
You're not doing bad.
Oh my god, where all these come from? I'm getting too close.
The good thing is not all of them come towards you. Only some of them.
They go to the side.
These will shoot at you, so watch out for that smoke. No.
The smoke.
Watch out for the smoke. Watch out for all that. Watch out for all that. Watch out.
What? Alright, so I got 20 tickets on that.
You wish you got 20.
Wait.
You got 19.
I got 19. Oh my god. Oh, that was so intense. I was like, what in the world?
Speaking of Plush Time Wins, Chris, hate to hijack your channel, but definitely check out Plush Time Wins because we did play this together.
Yeah, this game was so much fun.
Yeah, it's fun. This is a really fun one.
I love sharks, so this is really cool. Alright, so I want to aim for the lifesaver floaties.
Yeah, the life rings.
Yes.
So each one of these has a different ticket value.
Oh, man.
One of them's a 50. There's 3 on this side. Oh, the 50's back there.
Oh, did I get one?
Yeah, you did. So now the 50's right here.
Okay.
This is the one you want to aim for.
I'm not good at getting that one over there.
So she can control this right here, the pirate steering wheel, the ship wheel. Oh, you got one. So now it's right here. It's right here because you get this one.
Okay.
You're pretty good at getting this one.
Ah!
You only have a limited amount of balls, though. We don't know how much,
I'm not too good at this game.
but it's like 15 balls.
Oh, come on.
You're not the worst. You got 10 tickets right now. Oh gosh, maybe you are the worst. I'm just kidding.
No,
This is a hard game. Oh, now it's over there. Now it's over there. Yeah, it moved.
You got one down there.
Yeah, you got one. The other ones.
I need the 50. Oh,
You almost had it.
close. Come on, stop being dumb.
Oh, you almost had that. You're running out of balls, though.
Oh, man, I think I'm out.
Oh.
No, you gotta be kidding. 12 measly tickets. Now I'm gonna try for a lucky ducky. Will I be lucky?
I mean, you're guaranteed. It's a prize every time.
Oh, yeah. I'm so dumb. Alright, so there's a whole bunch of different ducks in here. I like this blue one, the fancy duck.
Oh, has the pearls on?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, see that orange duck back there? It has like a black eye.
I can kind of see. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. What is that?
Punch in the face. What?
Or stabbed with the claw.
Oh man. Oh yeah, stabbed with the claw. Let's try you for a fancy duck. Alright, here we go. Oh!
Go get 2 ducks.
Oh man, no ducks.
Well, you're guaranteed to win, so it's a prize every time, so you get to go again until you win.
Okay. I'm going for that same blue one. I like the blue bow on it. So cute. Come on. Oh
What?
my gosh. Will I even win?
Even though it's play till you win, why is it not letting you win on every try?
Oh, this one has a pink outfit on. Oh, maybe can I reach that green one with the stars? Let's try that. Come on. Give me a dub. What in the world? Okay, I'm gonna go for this red one. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. This is not play till you win.
I don't know where Crystal decided to go, but now it's my turn to play. She kind of like ditched me here, so let's see if I can get this. Oh, I got one. Yay, I got a duck. So I found where Crystal went to. She came over here.
Yeah, because I saw an arcade attendant, and I was like, excuse me, could you please shuffle these prizes around? And they did.
Well, I don't know if you care, Chris,
What?
but I got you a creepy duck.
Oh my gosh. It is pretty creepy, like an X-ray skeleton dog.
I know you probably don't want the duck.
I like it, it's cute. I like it.
She hands it back to my hands.
I'm
But
really
they
excited
definitely
about
did move these around. What are you going to go for?
this. I'm gonna go for that Bugs Bunny.
There's a tie-dye Bugs Bunny and then the Tweety. Would you call this tie-dye? I don't think I'd call it tie-dye because it kind of looks like just a rainbow gradient.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. It does look tie-dye.
Kind of, right?
Yeah.
Going for the bugs.
Bunny. What's that, Doc?
Do you need to check the side over there?
Oh, yeah,
you can actually fit between there. Usually there's not enough space to fit between them.
Yeah, looks decent.
All right, come on.
Let's go right there.
Oh, by the head.
Come on. Oh, no. Maybe I should go for the body, not the head. I really don't know.
Maybe you should go for the Tweety big head.
The Tweety big head?
That head's huge.
All right, let me check my side on the Bugs Bunny.
Good luck.
Okay, I think that looks decent. Bugs, 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 bugs.
Oh, yes, go for the body.
Whoa, whoa, what do you think you do?
I think it did do something.
Okay, I'll try one more time. Maybe I'll try for this Tweety big head, actually. If I can get it really close to my shoe, then I have a chance.
Are you going for the body or the head?
Oh, I don't know.
I feel like if you can get that head to fall over to the left somehow,
Yeah.
you'll have a
All right,
chance.
I'll try for that head.
All right, so she's going to try to get the head somehow.
All right, I hope this does something.
Ooh.
Oh, come on, big head. Whoa, dude, that's what's up. That's what we're talking about. If I can get that jumbo, big angel head over,
Whoa.
then I'll be able to win.
Chris, take this camera. I'm no longer holding this for you.
Yes, you are.
Wow, you're making fun of me and I got to hold this?
You make fun of my big head all the time.
That is very true, but I don't make you hold the camera whenever I'm making fun of you.
Oh, man, I didn't really do anything.
How about didn't do anything? What the heck are you over here? I don't know the name of the pig from Looney Tunes, but that's all, folks.
Kind of like Elmer Fudd. I think that's
Isn't Elmer Fudd the guy with the gun that tries to shoot Bugs Bunny? I don't know the pig's name.
actually.
She's going for the body, it looks
Yes,
like this
yes,
time.
come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is so crazy. I'm only gonna try one more time for this. This is gonna be my last play. I'm gonna go for the body.
Hope you can move it.
Me too.
Oh, come on.
Oh man, I think I ruined that.
That's all, folks.
Alright guys, so that's what an arcade looks like on a cruise ship. Angel won this super cool duck. It's like an X-ray skeleton duck. It's so cool. Thank you for that, Angel.
You're welcome.
But now we're going to relax and enjoy the beautiful view. Look how beautiful that